consistent with the goal and mission of bringing a specialized colostrum product for people with bone and joint diseases. We constantly upgrade and improve technology to bring consumers the most effective products to support the treatment of bone and joint diseases. In the US, Dulyn Sure is a colostrum product widely used to support the treatment of bone and joint diseases. Using Dulyn Sure colostrum in the treatment of bone and joint diseases is the most popular therapy we are applying in medicine. Dulyn Sure colostrum, with the breakthrough technology in the form of nano microenzymes using green NAG N-acetylglucosamine hydrocolloic enzyme technology, is many times more effective than regular glucosamine in supporting cartilage regeneration, producing joint fluid and regenerating new skeleton muscles. The milk dissolves and absorbs 50 times faster than conventional products that help the body quickly absorb nutrients at target generated and damaged bone and joint areas, rejuvenating bones and rejuvenating new skeletal muscles. It helps patients reduce bone and joint pain after only 7 days of use. This is an outstanding medical achievement in the world today in the treatment of bone and joint diseases, which is exclusively protective. Milk especially contains the active ingredient univestin. It is a mixture of two precious herbs from the root of Scutellania ballericosis and the stem Acacia catechu, considered a miracle drug for today's bone and joint pain. They relieve pain and inflammation immediately after a few days of use, providing good support for polyarthritis, reducing joint discomfort, improving mobility effectively, and reducing the stiffness and preventing impaired joints. The colostrum ingredients in Dulyn Sure combine the golden nutritional ratio with the clinically proven polycan compound and a beneficial nutrients to help strengthen joint cartilage, reducing the rate of bone destruction and stimulating maximum activity of muscle and bone regenerating cells and regenerating skeletal muscles and increasing resistance that enhances the effectiveness of preventing degeneration and repelling the complications caused by arthritis. The trio of ingredients, green NAG, colostrum, univestin, is considered an intensive, comprehensive nutritional therapy for bone and joint patients, increasing the effectiveness of bone and joint system recovery. This is intensive, comprehensive nutritional therapy for patients, increasing the effectiveness of bone and the joint system recovery. Nanocalcium combined with a high content type 2 collagen calcium prepared in nano form from natural red algae and one of the richest sources of calcium in nature, helps increase the ability to absorb calcium into the body, reducing the risk of calcium deficiency, osteoporosis, and preventing bone degeneration, healing existing injuries in bones and joints, anti-inflammatory, reducing swelling, strengthening bone structure. Dulyn Sure contains 30 types of vitamins and minerals, along with the abundant omega-369 and the calcium, lysine, and MUFA. with PUFA, which is good for the heart, brain, and movement. It contains many multi-strains, beneficial bacteria to help improve digestive function, limit fat absorption, not causing bloating and heat during use, helping to relax the mind, eat well, and sleep well. Dulyn Sure is a comprehensive solution for people with arthritis and degeneration that helps reduce the inflammation, pain, stiffness, and fatigue of the joints, helping the joints function flexibly, limiting joint degeneration, helping to rejuvenate bones and joints, supporting the regeneration of recovery cartilage. It solves bone and joint problems such as persistent low back pain, pain spreading along the legs, causing numbness, swelling, and pain in the joints of the limbs and elbows. The numbness that spreads along the arms and the legs when you wake up in the morning, the joints are stuffed and tired, it's difficult to stand up and sit down. Bones and joints crackle and climbs cramp. Milk is used for people over 18 years of age and people with the following conditions: dry joints, stiff joints, joint pain, people with arthritis and osteoarthritis. People who exercise heavily are at risk of osteoarthritis. The milk uses some small sugar, a natural sugar made from beets, completely suitable for people on diets and diabetics or overweight people. The milk has a mild, sweet taste, is fragrant, easy to drink, and is safe and benign, with suitability for all ages, including the elderly, people with underlying medical conditions, and post-surgical patients. Dulyn Sure colostrum is rigorously tested for quality by the US FDA and has been clinically proven to meet halal and GMP standards. If you are having bone and joint problems due to age, exercise, or bone and joint damage, use Dulyn Sure colostrum immediately. With Dulyn Sure, it rejuvenates bones, reduces inflammation and pain, no more bones and joint pain. To make bone and joint pain no longer an obsession, immediately use Dulyn Sure colostrum today.